enkuka tobongota ene enkuka tuze tumanzeko nga muwogo tujidde mu style mpya eri reloaded speed 5G eno tebangawo staging ka sound imba abayimbi bonna bakomediani bonna batiktoka bonna abakozi ba CBS bonna onowulira enkuka masanyu amatongola gaggalawo mwaka agaliyo agaliko amakoneremu shiringi omutwalo gumu n'ekitundu oyingira ku olwo n'afuluma enkeera buli kimumu ekiri endonga etandika kwa subu paka kwa subu omwaka tuguyingira ffenna fireworks okwo kale mwana mugwayo muleta obwana muntira bwerere siri muyaye bannange obwana buno omwaka sirina gwe mmanyi kimu ssente obuwala okubulwa data mbulwa akalinnya enkuuka Asatu December, mulubire Mengo, ekutusibwako Kabasa Fama, Olwo, Habitex Promotions, Nevi Settinga.
Bw'otulaga nti weetegese fenga tusimbula Abakamanyi Fest 2023 Abakamanyi ffenna bulijjo tetumanyiganye kati kino ky'ekiseera ekituufu mujje tutabagane mu Bakamanyi Fest ku Lwokusatu nga 13 December ku Front Page Hotel e Namasuba mujje tuwaye tusunsule ensonga n'omulangira David Rumansi atunnyonnyola ensonga emu ku emu mu style yennyini ey'Abakamanyi bw'onyumirwa Premier League y'Ebungereza Bundesliga La Liga Italian Serie A oba Uganda Premier League eyaffe eyawano ku butaka ffe tetufuddeeyo kasita obeera ng'oli w'Abakamanyi tuli bakuyingirira emitwalo 2 VIP ya mitwalo 5 ate emmeezi ey'abantu 5 ya miliyoni 2
netegeka njagala lumu kuyimbira kapera bwe mbyogera nembyerabira tewemebaka aya tugende maaso ennyimba nyingi DJ Masi bwalo osokolekerawo njagala kulangira abantu nange twaze kuyomba twaze kola ki twaze kuwagira legendary MC Cats I love you more naye ate abakazi abalungi tebayomba nkimanyi naye muzikirize muyombe naye kambabuuzi you guys seriously I came with my sister Nina Rose all the way you know the time we came here we came at 9 o'clock I think we came here at 10 o'clock and there was nobody yet. And now I'm back here. Honestly, with all due respect. Sound. Yeah? You guys may not understand when you're having fun, but for us we understand when I'm straining, when I know the sound is not clear. Emiaka Germany the MC Cats Jolina. Na soko lawa MC Cats nali mu vacation where senior for I went for Buzz magazine and you know the promoters were okay Kadanke is it Kadanke something like Kadanke tebaina sound system simu mubi atenga si disrespect naye abayimbi fena bazoyimbira Cats we are not paid we are here for love and for respect and for support. We sing for 5 million, 4 million above, 8 million plus. We did not charge Cats. Cats emiaka gyakoledde oyagala okungamba tetulina sound system aba events abasobola okumupromotinga namwe munziremu tukola ki munziremu Nexus wama. Honestly, if this is Cats' last show tonight, yeah? If this is when he's dropping the mic like I heard him say, which I don't want to believe, yeah? Because I still want to see him. I still want to see him on stage. He's a legendary, yeah? Naye ne last show y'omuntu okumuwa flowers, ekitolero ky'osobola okukola kwe kumuwa ki? Support. Muli nange? Siyomba wamula njogera facts. Where is Kadanke? Where is Silky Vent? Nalabanga Cats ku Silky Vent simwe, you guys. Seno ni bachali bange bagana kola show yange muliwa. Why? This guy deserves everything tonight. Abayimbi abalala muliwa. Agala kwogera manya naye muliwa. Ama tugende mu maaso kuba muziki. Nze njogedde kuba muziki. Come on stage. Mama Katemba, I love you so much. I respect you so much for life. Wanji? Bravo, ligagala lya mosusa. Abagala na bambi muyimbe nange. Kima wanse kamtale kuagala neritale Ona kamba jambo tupa Ngenda sipagunya Teke mubulishi mumagugunya Kuambe kutwani kusikelo Tumalewe Nakuyagala munina kulinda kwa Utwala supi kulinda kwa Caroline Maka family time can I have MC Cuts on stage, everybody? Allow me before I do my last song tonight. Allow me. Twice the Kongela night. Jagala MC Cuts, since we have the chance, I have the chance. I already gave him his flowers on social media. My social media, Kambabunje, Wandika message. Again, about for all generations, forever and ever. Jakubanga na kubane mukuyimba nazala n'abaana bali kumanya MC Cuts tunakwagala nakubirivinga ate nakuwa flowers zongo chaliwo. That's why I use social media. It will be there forever. And I'm not scared to write whatever I write out of love and respect. I remember seeing MC Cuts when I was, I think, in senior 4. Tali mukulu nyo naye twepanga kusomero nga tugenda mu buzz naye nga Cuts ono yatwala mu buzz mukimanyi Cuts nga yalinya stage ya buzz my friend ng'alinya stage n'ayaka bw'ati ng'alidde ttaala. So up to now, after I don't know how many years, you're still here. You are blessed. You have the blessed. Abala bajja ne bagenda. Bangi tubalaba ne bagenda ne bajja n'omuliro ne batupanga. Bamala ne babula. Naye ng'obeerawo. Nga naffe bambi by the way. I'm in the industry I think for 8 years now.
I don't like appreciating me so much. Lydia Jazmine has a concert. It's happening next year. She told me not to mention the venue, but I'm done hiding your secret. Now, Kumara knows Muramba. You get your mind, don't talk about me. I don't talk about your venue.
I just have, okay. I got all emotional, and I also don't want to cry. But one man's a Jagalamba Gambe. Are you guys seeing MC Cuts on stage one more? Me, I'm not done. Me, I still want to see you. I told you in my message I wrote, I do not want you to go anywhere. We love you so much. God bless you. I have your 1 million in my pocket tomorrow to support you tonight. Because you deserve it so much. We love you so much. Yeah? Everybody. Are you coming? For Monday we're gonna out the poster on Monday. Something is very good. So now Monday after tomorrow. Mugenda manya venue officially. Yeah, thank you. Mama lekwagala kana kayimba ba festival jamuli. Kasi jamu. Katamba jamu. Siringa buli mutomi. Kasera bubera fami. Selesa kumani. Lira chemole kotale. Waji. So sing. Jagalo masile. Katamba. Zende chemole echinyuma kutimba. Ninge chikajo omutali na muti Zende mumbeja ata no gulpes. No que cure composa. Como suesove. Amane na zona zisigaze. Zona zikwatire. I love you. To touch my body. Siamo. Zenandi compulisi. Taste chocolate. The more magnet. Hey! Yagalanga when they yaga. Hey, so sing up the way yagala. Atinanga when they mati. Hey, so sing up the way Jagalanga when they agala. Matiranga when they matiranze. Jagalenga when they agala. Jagala matirenga when they matiranze. But the first born attack the wako. Singing a Bollywood dummy. Nzene samu kumani nilile chimuli kutale. I love you so much. Thank you for loving me. Oh, we got one Lydia Jazmine. Lydia Jazmine. Maria, I love you, Mukwano. I love you most. Banange, tukubile ku Lydia Jazmine obugalo. I think mubayembi bava Uganda achali hambo tana yomba. Nebwe bachili waka. Never run out of propaganda. Tebaja kumfuna. Bye. Thank you so much, Lydia Jazmine. Now, ladies and gentlemen,
you is my full-time job. When I come to you, don't reject. Iswanka, nesi biese kwagala enkuka yomwa kejitegese. So take a chance, I take you to Mengo, nkuka tobongota. Kuba mwesiga, abe taxi, I tegese kuluno gomo chitundu. Kamfume nkole, sente fune kutwale munkuka. Asatu mulumu December, olobena kulewo mwaka. Yo, Biswanka is my name. Asatu mulumu December, enkuka tobongota. Fena tubeyo, kuluno gomo chitundu. Awangale aibene.
Abakamanyi Fest 2023. Slated for Wednesday 13th December at Front Page Hotel Namasuba. This is a one surprise-filled event you can't afford to miss. Abakamanyi Fest is more than a social event. It's a journey of unexpected delight. Prepare to be amazed as David Lumansi surprises you with talent. Abakamanyi Fest 2023 is presented by Stream Live Avenue.